Martin here for the Bullen companies, and today we're going to show you a brand new product that we're rolling out called Micron Microfilament cleaning cloths. And it's not a microfiber. It looks different, it works different. Micron Microfilament wipes are 5 to 10 times smaller, the fibers, 5 to 10 times smaller than a conventional microfiber cloth. It doesn't lint, it's not woven. Standard size is 16 by 16 inch and it's color coded. So red for disinfectants, blue for all purpose, and green for food service. They're packed 10 wipes or cloths per package, and then there'll be 5 of these in a master case. They'll be available soon, brand new, not available in the US, and we've been working with them for 2-3 months. It's a fantastic product. Can't tear it, can wash it over 100 times. You'll learn more about it in the coming weeks, but we wanted to get this video out so you know that we've got them. Thank you.